Hello guys, I'm gonna unbox my motorcycle speakers. It has those main features: powerful, wireless, waterproof, and radio. Let's check. Okay, good reminder here: before installation we can connect the battery and feel beautiful music first. The manual is here. Go and check, and we're gonna go through these during installation. Okay, we got zip ties, we got the main speaker here, and also some screws here. Like Allen keys are here, and extra rubber here. Let's install this together. Okay, we have those Allen keys and we have those screws here, and we're gonna try to unlock and remove those screws and then put it on the bike. Let's try together. Let's try to remove those screws together. I removed one of the screw and then I loosened the other one a little bit so that I can adjust these on the bike, and I will do the same thing on the second one. I'm removing the second side. Okay, I loosened both sides like this. I can adjust on the bike. Let's check together. Okay, I put these on the bars like this. I'm gonna put the screws here, and I'm gonna put the screw here, then lock it up like this. Okay, I connected those mounts on the bike. Now I'm gonna test these by connecting to battery. Let's see. Okay, let's turn this on. Okay,
Bluetooth mode.
it's on now, and by clicking the menu button we can change the
FM mode.
mode, and now it's FM.
But they won't. Estoy escuchando ahorita. 6 days on the road and I'm gonna make packages will have.
Okay, by keep pressing to those arrows we can like increase the volume or decrease the volume, and by clicking on menu we can change the menu to Bluetooth
Play by
mode
USB
or
drive.
USB, and then Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode.
I'm gonna connect this to Bluetooth. A KSPEAKER, you click that. By clicking on those play buttons, you can change the music like this without. I'm gonna go backwards. You can turn the volume down like this, and by pressing lower or higher, or you can choose the menu like this.
FM mode.
Yeah. Okay, that's it.